So we're all here, Parakore's all here to have, we've been doing a bit of waka ama and a bit of waka taurua, and we're just having breakfast.
Pai, hea te parakohe, he hanga kai.
He hanga kai, oh he tuna. He tuna, some home-cooked bacon and traditionally baconed as well, so there's no chemicals in it as well. And we've got our tuna from Whakakī and Iwitia. Oh, go boy. Right. And then over here we've got our microgreens, got to have our greens. And we've got our dried fruit here that we dried by the tamariki. We've got all our different superfoods, super seeds, chia pudding, potatoes, our urenika, whataro and kōwenewene, cherry tomatoes, our homegrown avocados,
He tēnei taha.
chia, we've got our oranges, organic, all organic, we've got our watermelons already, our oranges, the last pick of the